On the auspicious occasion of Guru Purnima, I would like to express my immense gratitude to Guruji and Ma for showing me the real path of spirituality. Samyama, with the motto of heal, meditate and evolve. I started with my journey 3 years back where I had a lot of fear from a lot of things, my personal life, job, and I did my first soul reading and healing through Samyama. Then second part came is a meditate. I joined their various programs and event, and I did a lot of meditation, regular meditation, and I found that my meditation became deeper, my focus increased in my job, I was able to focus on everything. My relationship started becoming better with my boss, my colleagues. Third part comes as evolve. So what I understood is meditation is not only the avenue to increase and grow at a spirituality. For a soul growth, we also need to do selfless seva. I thought that I am doing a seva, but in turn, what I found that I was taken care at my office, my relationship, my health, my personal life, everything was taken care. Thank you so much, Guruji and Ma, for everything. Thank you so much.
On this occasion of Guru Purnima, I would like to share my personal experience and learnings through Samyama. Each event of Samyama is unique, and over the last many events, I have found innumerable changes within me. Earlier, there was a lot of conflict between my conscious mind and inner voice, and now through different meditation healing events, there is much more alignment between my body, mind and soul, and I am able to take decisions with courage and confidence and be able to walk on the path of truth and righteousness. The household duties and managing my profession of yoga seemed to be a big burden earlier, and many times I used to feel frustrated. But now there is a balance between the spiritual life and material life. So being in spirituality and reaching out to selfless service, reaching out to humanity has brought and opened up a lot of avenues for me where there is balance in life between the material and spiritual. I feel very grateful to Guruji and Ma for all these opportunities and sincerely wish that more deserving and needy souls take this opportunity to uplift themselves and progress towards their betterment. Thank you.
On this occasion of Guru Purnima, I would like to say all that I have learnt by being in association with Samyama. The disciplines I have learnt have made me a better person and has aligned my life better. And the meditations have made me a much more calmer person. All my agitations and frustrations have gone. And being on the path of selfless service and seeing what others are going through has made me realize that what all I have and has made me more appreciative of the things. It has helped me to connect better with myself and has improved my relations to a great extent. I would like to thank Guruji and Ma for having brought this awareness into me, and my journey has become so much more better. I am really thankful for this, and I would like to do more selfless service and help more needy people in future.
Namaste. On this auspicious occasion of Guru Purnima, I would like to express immense gratitude to Guruji and Ma. I have been associated with Samyama for about more than 3 years now. I have experienced immense learnings and transformations at all the levels of my being: physical, mental, emotional and spiritual. The one very important thing that I learned and understood with Samyama is that if anyone is looking for true spiritual growth, then the most important thing is first to uplift others, to help others to uplift themselves. I am immensely grateful for all the opportunities of selfless service that I have got under the divine guidance of Guruji and Ma. Immense gratitude to Guruji and Ma. Thank you so much.